Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi POCO C75 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Start off opening three dots on the right corner and opening settings selection. In it, Google Password Manager, and there we can manage password which our smartphone remember, or a Google WhatsApp account in my case. We can click there, enter look screen to get connected to that. In it we can copy our email, copy our passwords using this first icon, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this to someone using this icon, or edit something by tap on edit, write something in your username, passwords or note. Remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which you can do there with it is delete password which your smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.